All right, what is good, Joel? Today, what I want to do is work on git-stats a little bit before I have to go to class. So this would be, let's go to temp tick, and then let's make another one where it is source, and that allows me to go to tick, and then look at this part. We should be outside of test mode, and then this is what we're looking at. All right, so given that we have that now, we can go through insertion, deletion, blah 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 blah, and then we start our cases. So this is deletion enabled with no symbol. Ooh, that's not where I meant to go. Tick. Test mode, I just saw it. There it is. Then G underscore. Oh wait, no, we're at the wrong part. This one should be this. Oh wait, no. This is null. Is this one null? See, the thing with this is I kind of want to one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Nine, 10, 11, 12. So we're missing 3. But what we could do is just implement, so we don't have to write this twice. Where is it? Test mode, outside of test mode. If track paths is null, here it is. Track paths is null, then it's just 0 for all of the thingamadonkers. But we don't have to do that because that's handled up here, yeah? Yeah, these are the calculated values, so it doesn't matter. We only do one. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is essentially gone now. So we can just do this one switch case and be good. So we have not deletion enabled. Deletion enabled with no symbol would be, this should be the insertion field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1, 4, 5. Wait, I'm missing one. You have the new line, you have the insertion symbol 1, 2, insertion symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have space and the deletion symbol. Okay, I got you. So this would be, we print to the output buffer with a string length of insertion fill plus 1. Plus string length of deletion. Oh shoot, we need deletion spaces too. Well, this would be this would be the same. Wait, why does this need insertion fill then? Buffer. Oh, I think I see what I did. Okay. So what I'm missing here is that first of all, these shouldn't be in here. But second of all, we need to set both the insertion and deletion. So when we do, So when we do insertion, it's fine. But the thing is, we need to have two output buffers if we're going to do it like this. Actually, it's max overload plus 4. Plus 4 for what? Max overload is 4, and then you have the 1 for the symbol. And then that should be it. Two symbols, one space. Anyway, I think this is just max overload plus 1. Oops. Plus 1. And then this is max overload times 2 plus you have two symbols, one insertion, so that's 3. Yeah. And then because we set it, we don't need to set that again. Right? So now we do the same thing here. This is just insertion with the symbol, right? Insertion with symbol, right? Because we have the one shifted over, and the one shifted over is a symbol. So this is going to be insertion output buffer pattern not found. Interesting. Oh wait, this is a buffer. And this should, I just do that, right? So now we have that. Now we can delete this again. Oh, I see. I added one to this. Make it larger than what the size of it is. So now we don't need this anymore. So deletion enabled and insertion is enabled. Right? So now we do the insertion output buffer. Output buffer. Oh wait, I did deletion first on this. I should do it in order. Right, so this will be another one of these. Right? This is wrong. Oh. Insertion. So we don't have a symbol for this. So that should be gone. And then what? This should also be gone. So we have the overload string, the value string, the insertion spaces. Yeah, because that's dynamic, so I need to calculate that. And then we have deletion spaces as well. We also have insertion. Yeah. So you have insertion fill, and then you have the overload string. Wait, is that out of order? Shouldn't it be deletion spaces and then overload string? Yeah, because we have insertion spaces and then insertion overload string. So this is backwards. Did I do it backwards up here too? No, I don't know how that got like that. So this should be deletion spaces, deletion overload string. And then this should be deletion spaces, deletion value string. Right? And then we need to break. Break. All right. So now we have deletion enabled with no symbol. Deletion enabled with no symbol. So we can just copy this. Oh wait, this should be here. Right? Yeah. So we go down, bam. And then we could just, this is the wrong symbol. Bro, what was I doing? Oh, this shouldn't exist at all. Oh, this one's missing insertion fill too. I'm just gonna copy this one. Right? Because you have the deletion output buffer, and then you have, oh, I see why I did that. It's because this thing now needs to be centered. It won't be centered if you just use the insertion fill. I got you. But that symbol did need to go. Deletion enabled with no symbol. Deletion enabled with no symbol. Insertion enabled with symbol. So insertion enabled with symbol. And then you have deletion enabled with no symbol. And then you have insertion enabled, which is just this. Fifth. None of this. Then you have insertion enabled with symbol. Actually, I think I just copied that. Yep. Deletion enabled with symbol. That should be somewhere. Oh, it's not. This is now here with the symbol. Oops. Deletion enabled with symbol. Dude, can I do this wrong every time? So deletion enabled with symbol, insertion enabled. So deletion enabled with symbol should still be copied. It is not. And then we have insertion enabled. Oh wait, this should be here. But I want that to be in front. Right. Yep. And then deletion enabled with symbol. Oops. And then all enabled. So that should be this with insertion enabled. All right, cool. So I guarantee you there's a better way than copy and pasting all that, but I will do that later. But it's good to have the cases set up, and now we're done with this switch case. So what I could do is just have four cases, right? Because you have one with, one without for both insertion and deletion, one without for insertion and deletion. And then I could just, maybe you just make another macro at that point. Just so it's a bit cleaner. All right, cool. Let me push this. I haven't packed up my stuff in a while. We are looking at finished mode mapping, switch case. All right, cool. Cool.